Hello class 5. Hope you all are fine. Yes, and you all have completed your work, and it's really good that you all have done good in your tests. This means that you all are studying well and you all are doing your work. So today we are again back to read the new chapter, chapter 4, that is nouns, gender. What is gender? The gender of a noun indicates whether a noun is a male or female. There are 4 kinds of gender of a noun, namely masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So, we have four kinds of gender of a noun, by which we can identify the things. So we will read about masculine gender. Masculine gender refers to the males. For example, Raj is a boy. See, feminine gender refers to the females. For example, Nisha is a girl. And what is common gender? Common gender refers to the nouns that are common to males and females. For example, Mr. Sharma is a doctor. My brother is an engineer. See, in doctors there are many types of doctor. Maybe a female and a male. Like a teacher can be a sir also and male or ma'am also. So now see, neuter gender. Neuter gender refers to the non-living things. The book has interesting stories. My wristwatch is golden, and this is very common that when the things are non-living, that come in neuter gender. Now see, there is a list of some masculine and feminine gender. Brother, sister, father, mother, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, father, mother, father-in-law, mother-in-law, headmaster, headmistress, heiress, hero, heroine, host, hostess, hunter, huntress, husband, and wife. So go through some examples, and this is very easy chapter. Now come to next page. See some more examples given: actor, actress, author, authoress, bachelor, spinster, boy, girl, king, queen, man, woman, mayor, mayoress, poet, poetess, sir, madam. So please go all through the exercises. See, fox, vixen, leopard, leopardess, lion, lioness, peacock, peahen, rooster, hen, stag, hen, horse, mare, tiger, and tigress. So with the help of these examples, you can do all the exercises, and by the time we will be doing this exercise, tick the correct option. First one, there are 3 kinds of gender of a noun. Sorry students, there are 4 kinds of genders of a noun. The second one, teacher is an example of feminine gender. Third one, feminine gender refers to the female. Table is an example of neuter gender because table is a non-living thing. Yes, so we please do this exercise B and C on your own in your books, and D1 I will be sending you the worksheet. Do complete from that, and by the time go through the chapter. It's very easy chapter, students. And do please, it's a humble request, you all please do all complete the work, those who have not completed till yet, because soon we will be having a half yearly exam, students. So you have to do show your best in that. So have a nice day. Take care.